Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change the language in the Shein app. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open the Shein app on your smart device and make sure you're signed into your account. By opening the Shein application on the homepage in the lower right corner of the screen, look for the profile that says Me and then click on it. Then, on the next page, in the upper right corner of the screen, look for the Setting option and click on it. By clicking on the Setting option, a new page will open where you can go down to the Language option in the drop-down menu and click on it. The application will open a list of languages, but since our location is set to the My Specific Country, we are offered only 2 languages and the language used on your device. We will currently choose from the 2 languages offered, Espanol, and click on it. A small note, if your location is set to another country, it is likely that you will be offered more languages. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily change the language in the Shein app to suit your needs. So that's basically how you can change the language in the Shein app. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.